Welcome class 5. I'm your Gargi ma'am. Today we'll do mensuration in our maths class. Be ready with your copies. I'll give you some exercises right in the beginning. In our previous classes, we have learned this much that to find perimeter, we add length and breadth, then we multiply by 2. Whereas when we find area, we multiply that length and breadth. I have sent you some easy sums. Since we have already learned perimeter and area, we'll do a bit of revision in the beginning and then we'll proceed on to new parts of this chapter. So these are the sums. Try to do them, each one of them in your classwork copy. I'll give you 5 to 10 minutes. Then I'll show you the solutions. Start doing them by yourselves. For mensuration sums, you need to draw the figure first. It's a rectangle with length and breadth. Look at my solution. First I draw a rectangle, then I place the given length, how many meters or how many centimeters, and I place the given breadth. That's the figure. Then we calculate the area. Area equal to length into breadth. It's very clear. Watch my solution and try to understand. Those who have completed number 5 and 6, please proceed to number 7, 8, 9. Yes, those who have proceeded to number 9, you will have to divide something by something. Try yourselves. Okay. So the next portion, see, I have already sent you a sheet where you will find some geometrical figures. They look like H, L, a plus sign, T, etc. Our work is to find the areas of those figures. You must study the figures very carefully and try to draw lines and divide each figure into rectangles so that we have a length and a breadth. Now, to find the area enclosed within this H figure, we will break it up into smaller rectangles along this line and along this line. So we have rectangle 1, rectangle 2 and rectangle 3. Length of this rectangle is 9, breadth is 1. So its area will be length into breadth equal to 9 centimeter into 1 centimeter, that is 9 ones are 9 square centimeter. That was this rectangle. Next we come to the second rectangle. Length 9, breadth 1. Same way, length into breadth equal to 9 cm into 1 cm equal to 9 square centimeter. So we covered the two tall rectangles. We are left with this small rectangle whose length is 2, breadth is 1. So the remaining rectangle, we find area, length into breadth, length is 2 centimeter, breadth is 1 centimeter. That comes to 2 ones are 2 square centimeter. So we have covered the whole H area. So now we will add, make a sum total. 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 plus 2 is 20. So total area enclosed by the H figure is 20 square centimeter. Here we have a figure H and we need to find the area enclosed within this figure H. As usual, we'll break it up into small rectangles. One along this line and along this line. So we have 3 component rectangles. This is 1, this is 2 and this is 3. So number 1, this rectangle, length is 6, breadth is 1. The area will be 6 centimeter into 1 centimeter. That is 6 square centimeter. Now we go to this rectangle. How do we know the length? This is 4. So we subtract this. How much is this? This is 1. So from 4 we subtract 1. So this length is 3 and breadth is 1. 3 centimeter into 1 centimeter. 3 ones are 3 square centimeter. Now we are left with the smallest rectangle. This is length 2, this is breadth 1. So length 2 centimeter into breadth 1 centimeter equal to 2 square centimeter. Now we make a total of this rectangle, this rectangle, this rectangle. 6 plus 3 plus 2. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 2, 11 square centimeter.